Hi viewers, welcome back.
Today's recipe is a simple dessert and an energy drink, Sri Lankan special Sago Porridge, or we call it Savarsi Kanji, Saukanda. Sago porridge is a warm porridge we make by simmering milk, spices, jaggery and sago pearls and cook it until thickened. Usually we make it on a stove top for a longer time, but recently I invented this microwave version and tried many times, and I am so excited to share this easy recipe with you. And it is perfect just as the stovetop version. Hopefully beginners can learn to make it easily, and it's so quick. So now let's check out the ingredients and how easy to make this in a microwave. Less than 7 minutes. We need 250 grams of grated jaggery, half a cup sago pearls. I have taken the tiny little pearls, 1 tablespoon brown or white sugar, 1 cinnamon stick and some cardamoms, and we need to powder it, 2 cups of fresh milk or coconut milk and a pinch of salt. Take a microwave safe bowl. I have taken this large Pyrex jug and I am adding 2 cups of boiling water and add the sago pearls. I have added half a cup of sago pearls. Mix it well without any lumps. And now let's start cooking in the microwave. I'm going to cook this for 3 minutes. Now after first 3 minutes, remove from the microwave and check it, and then it's not cooked. I'm going to return to the microwave for another 1 minute. Now after another 1 minute, let's remove it, and now it's cooked. So now let's start adding the rest of the ingredients, and now you can see it's cooked. I'm going to add the milk. This is 2 cups of fresh milk. You can add coconut milk with the first and second milk, and the cinnamon stick. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, and then the grated jaggery. Use a dark color jaggery, and then the sugar, if you don't get jaggery you can use brown sugar too. And now I am going to return this to the microwave again. Leave it in the microwave for 2 minutes or until it becomes to a boiling point. Now after last 2 minutes, I am going to remove it from the microwave and it has come to a boiling point. And now mix it really well, and you can see the pearls are really cooked and the color is perfect. Now it's ready. It took me only total 6 minutes, but microwave to microwave the time might vary. Hope you enjoy this video. Please do try out this recipe and leave me a comment, and don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe and feel free to share this video with your family and friends. And please don't forget to check out my rest of the videos where you can find authentic Sri Lankan recipes you can easily make at home. Thanks for watching. See you later.